My name is Bruno Munger. I'm CTO of Alt Systems. We're the #1 or the only distributor for Colorfront products here in the United States. Yeah, so we sell on-set dailies, express dailies, and now the transcoder options that will be an option for on-set dailies.
Colorfront is well known for its support of on-set dailies and all the on-set workflows. So we are at this show introducing some of our new products. One thing that stands out is our automatic color workflow, and it's the Colorfront workflow. And its basic goal is that you plug in whatever camera you have, and you come up with a beautiful picture. And it takes all the labor out of a lot of other workflows where you'd have to engineer and R&D. All the connections and everything to make a good baseline picture. So that's one of the big time-saving things here, and also gets you a beautiful picture at the beginning of your dailies. So this has been engineered this year by Colorfront, and it's built on an ACES framework, and it supports pretty much every camera out there, and it supports all the output formats that one can possibly think of. And so that's some of the highlights that we're offering here. Also included in this pipeline is the speed. Is one thing we should really talk about. Is that all the processing is based on GPU, so it's extremely fast, multiple times real time, as well as we have another introduction. Here is there's with 4K coming out, there's going to be a lot of times where content is captured at a lower resolution, and we have Superscaler, which is a proprietary algorithm developed by the Colorfront engineers to upsample images. For example, you could shoot ARRI RAW either in normal or unmatted mode, and running it through the Superscaler, end up with 3840 for Super HD, Ultra HD delivery. So that's some of the highlights in there. And once again, these they don't take a lot of tweaking. You just plug things in and go for it. So we're looking at sort of the node base of the color pipeline. This is the transcoder product, which is an extended set of software feature tools that sit on top of on-set dailies. And on the dailies platforms, if you're on the you don't necessarily even have to deal with this. So in other words, it's a drill down system where you can pull up and set the different nodes, or you can just hit the automatics. And the pictures that we're seeing here are just baselines. I mean, there's been nothing done with it. Pretty much you can plug any camera into it and come up with an aesthetically pleasing picture, and then you can start adjusting from there and doing whatever you want. And I think that's kind of a first in our industry with all the new digital formats coming out. It's not plug and play. It's a very laborious, engineering intensive effort by most companies to just get the workflow going, and that's one of the highlights of the Colorfront system. Is you plug it in and you get going, and then you can drill down and to whatever level of complexity you need to for your project.
Go to altsystems.com or colorfront.com and come and contact us. We'll talk to you about pricing and hardware, and how us as a system integrator, we're going to talk about options for you, how you can run these tools.